The next step, it says, and I don't have my glasses on, to twist the tab. Hear that? Hear that click? Now you're ready to put the material into the denture. Nice thin layer. I like to move it around like that. Make sure that it's all coated, a nice thin layer. I like to get it up near the border. I showed you where the border is at the top. Nice thin layer. Put a little bit at the top. Now remember, this is buildable. So if you need more after the first application, you can put more. Okay, see how I'm nice spreading it around, nice and thin, trying to make it even. And that's how it should look. Okay, last step, you're gonna open wide. Open wide. Try not to get it on his beard. Close. And stay like that for 4 minutes, okay? Be back in 4 minutes.